Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss more about annotation with you, image annotation or image labeling. And actually, let me explain it more. Imagine we are going to detect some objects in images, and we would like to do it automatically. In some images. Here we need, there are multiple ways, but we need to, one way of doing it is training a deep network. To do that, we need some labeled images that we already, as a human being, tagged them, that where is that object in these images, where is the object of our interest in these images. This is what we call it image annotation. Okay, and actually for image annotation there are many data sets which they are free, and you can simply download them over the net. For example, this is one of them, the COCO dataset. It consists of 80 objects that you see them here in this image, and you can simply download the images in the 3 sets of train, validation, and test, and also their annotation files. So this is completely free and you can use it. But the question is, what if I would like to find something else, another object that I cannot find it any data set for it, and it's something special for my business. Okay, here I have to do it myself, and today I'm going to explain to you one tool for image labeling or image annotation. First, before going further, note that we have, let me go here, okay, we have multiple classes of annotation. The 3 of them, which is my interest in this video, and the next one is what I call one is what I call the classification of the classification annotation, which is about I tag the overall image if it includes my object or objects or not. Okay, I see. Okay, I see an apple in this image. Right, there is an apple in this image. And the next one is the one that we draw a bounding box around the object and we tagged it. That's what is this. This score it is specified after the detection. But when we tag, we just say, okay, here I have a dog, here I have a cat. This is called bounding box annotation. And the next one is this is the most accurate one, that I specify the boundary of my object with a few polygons around it, and localize the object in this way. So now, after these definitions, and I think you get what I'm going to introduce to you, I'm going to okay, let's use an online and free tool for that. I choose Saiwa to do these annotations. In this clip I only explain the boundary annotation, and then in the next one the other 2 will come. Let me go to the annotation and I select the boundary annotation here. Okay, here it is. If you are interested, you can read more about it, but I will go to the demo page. I need to upload a few images here that I would like to label. I already selected 3 images that I put here. Okay, done. They are here, and these are images from a recently project of our team. And here we are interested to detect a special invasive planet, which is called European water chestnut. and it is here that I show you. Beside all these lilies, you can see it. And okay, let me click on the annotate, and here I can zoom to see them more. Okay, to start everything, I need to define the classes that I'm interested in. I define one class of European water chestnut. Okay, and then this you can add any number of classes that you would like, or even you can upload a file that it already consists of classes that you are interested in. To define the labels, what I need is only just click around each instance of the chestnuts, and then select the class that I'm in, the class of it, which now here I only have one class, but you can add any number of it. It is very simple. And I have another chestnut here, the other one here, and the fourth one is here. Okay. And okay, there is not any other, and you can one more thing is you can edit the boundary if you are interested in. You can edit it like this. Okay, and then just confirm. Let's go to the next image. Here I have only one. I think it's here, and the last image I have one in this right corner. Let me edit this ugly boundary that I draw here. Done. Okay, I'm done. Then I can just confirm, and these are here. And at the end, you see this process was very simple and straightforward, and as fast as possible. Actually, labeling is it's not very fast. It's a time-consuming task, but still the tool seems to me which is fast enough. And then we can export the boundary files in form of some JSONs. We can export them locally. Okay, done. Let's have a look at it. These are the 3 JSONs corresponding to the 3 images that I used. And if you see actually the boundaries is saved, and the set of polygons is saved in terms of ending points of each line segments, their X and Y locations. For the rest of them, you see here, and you can use these JSONs to train the networks that you are interested in. Done. I wish you find this information interesting, and I will explain to you the other 2 annotating methods later in my next video. And please let me know your comments and if you have any suggestions.